Mate, I'm booking Fiji. Yeah, gonna take the family away for Christmas. I need some dickhead to pay for it. Yeah, I got a guy with a vintage fridge. Man.
Hi guys, ArchieLuxury, and who do I recommend in America? In America, who do I recommend for quality pre-owned wristwatches? David SW, David SW, David SW. Go to davidsw.com. He is the best, the greatest pre-owned dealer in all of the United States of America. David SW, David SW, David SW.
G'day, it's Daryl from Eastern Suburbs Refrigeration. I hear you got a refrigerator you want me to look at.
Hello, how are you? I've been waiting for you, man. Hey, this is not going to take you terribly long here. I got a beautiful fridge. This is a quality fridge, and it's got a slight problem. And I'm sure somebody of your expertise and know-how can fix this baby in minutes. You're an expert.
Mate, you let me be the judge of that, okay? I've been working in refrigeration for the last 30 years. Mate, you let me make the judgment on how hard it is to fix. Okay, mate? If it's so fucking easy, why don't you fix the fucking thing?
Yeah, man, it's a vintage fridge. Let's go and take a look. Come on, follow me. Come with me.
Holy shit! I haven't seen one of these since when I was a kid. A lad! My God!
Have a look at this. It's a beautiful fridge. Look at this. It's vintage. It's a Fisher and Paykel. It's a Fisher and Paykel. I bet you love working on these things. What do you reckon? It's a Fisher and Paykel. It's got a bit of a refrigeration problem there. But somebody like you, I'm sure, it won't take you long to fix this baby.
Mate, what is this thing? Oh my God, it's one of the old Fisher and Paykels. You know it's illegal to regas these babies. CFC! Mate, I gotta be honest with you. She's worth saving. She's a beauty. Let me make a few calls. I know you gotta do your live streaming. You go and do your show. Let me make a few calls and see if I can get some vintage parts in for you. I can get some vintage parts and let's see if we can solve this fridge problem.
Hi guys, ArchieLuxury on the ArchieLuxury channel. Guys, if you want to see more of my collections, guys, take a look at Elite Luxury. Elite Luxury is my channel for all luxury goods with a feminine touch. A feminine touch. So guys, if you want to see me enjoying some great luxury goods, come and join me on the Elite Luxury channel. Click the link in the corner, that corner or that corner, I'm not sure which one. Click the link and it'll take you to Elite Luxury.
Hey Bruno, it's Trev here. I got a sucker with an old Fisher and Paykel. Have you still got that old Fisher and Paykel unit there? Yeah, with the freezer on the bottom. Yeah. Mate, you said to me I could have it for $50. You'd pay me $50 to take the fucking thing away. I think I got the sucker all ready to go. Okay? Yeah, you don't mind? I'll come and pick it up on the weekend. I got a customer just for it. And, yeah, he's out of his mind. Yeah. Yeah, he does YouTube. Complete loser. Complete loser. Anyhow, I'm going to stick it to him with labour for 3,500. Yeah.
Hey guys, check out one of my best friends, Jamie Opulence, on YouTube. Just go to Jamie Opulence on YouTube. A fantastic channel from my good friend Jamie. Check it out, guys.
Yeah, man, it's going to be good. We'll get this baby fixed for you. Yeah, she's beauty. She's a beauty. You don't make them like they used to. Yeah, it's no worries. I'll get the parts ordered in. If you could just give me that deposit, $1,500. Is that okay with you, Archie boy? Yeah, you give me the deposit. As soon as the funds hit my account, I'll get the parts in, and we'll rebuild this beauty.
Hey guys, ArchieLuxury. Guys, I want to introduce a new service to you. ValueYourWatch.com. Proud supporters of ArchieLuxury. No seller's fees, no buyer's fees. That's right, guys. This is a trading platform to buy or sell watches. You can start selling for free. That's right. We advertise our paying subscribers on Google, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn. It's a global platform. That's right, guys. Get $50 off the annual subscription by applying the coupon Archie when you check in there. But guys, you can try this for free straight away. Guys, you can start listing watches. ValueYourWatch.com. Give it a try and tell me what you guys think of that.
Feeling me, all these neck just wanna be a mini me. All these neck just wanna be a mini me. All these neck just wanna be a mini me. Feeling me, all these neck just wanna be a mini me. All these neck just wanna be a mini me. All these neck just wanna be a mini me. Feeling me, all these neck just wanna be a mini me. All these neck just wanna be a mini me. All these neck just wanna be a mini me. Feeling me, all these neck just wanna be a mini me. All these neck just wanna be a mini me. All these neck.
Like, subscribe, and tell your friends, and don't be afraid to get a paid review. $50 for a paid review. It helps me stay full-time on YouTube, and I will see you in the next one. $50 paid review. I can't survive on Google Ads. I need your support. And guys, you could also sponsor me on Patreon. Patreon allows you to pay as little as $1 a month to keep me on YouTube. Hey guys, ArchieLuxury. Who do I recommend for watches in Brisbane and Sydney? Vintage Watch Co. That's correct. Vintage Watch Co. in Brisbane Arcade in Brisbane and the Strand Arcade in Sydney. Vintage Watch Co. Brisbane and Sydney. Ronnie, I've known him since the late 90s. Ronnie is a top bloke. Luke is a great guy. Vintage Watch Co. That is who I recommend in Australia. Check out Vintage Watch Co. and the guys' amazing range of watches. They also do service and repairs. Vintage Watch Co. That is where the Pontiff goes. You know, some of my Patek's came from Vintage Watch Co. That's right, guys. Vintage Watch Co.